Hey, hello everyone. In our two previous videos, we discussed how condition basis will be determined when there is no from to maintained, and how it works when uh, from only maintained or from to both has been maintained. Request you to watch those two videos. I will give you the link in the description, as well as I will try to provide the link in that iCard or iCard, and you can go through that. Therefore you will get a better idea on that requirement. So there are small correction here. It should be AKLMX only, not Z. Sorry about that, I have updated. So in case of from two steps are maintained, then the active region should not be AKLMX. In case of there is no steps maintained at all, then there should be AKLMXZ. Now we will go through the third way how the condition base will be determined. That is based on the formula maintained in pricing procedure. So in the pricing procedure, for every step, uh, we can maintain the alternative base calculation. The field is KOFRA, but during the runtime, that will be stored in the XKOMV. It is KOFRA. If it is maintained, then so what we have discussed in these two steps, if there is no steps maintained, and if something maintained from two, then these two will be ignored, and the condition base will be determined according to the formula. Most of the times, uh, there will be maintained the requirement routine 2 only, that is FE63A 002 assigned, and this contains only the KOMP NetWeaver, and it will be passed to XKWERT, as I told you right in the beginning as well. So the condition base value from the different condition will be passed to XKOMV-KAWRT as a base. So same thing happening here as well. The KOMP netware will be passing to XKWRT, which will be updated later into XKAWRT. It's a condition value XKWRT, and condition basis is XKAWRT. And this KOMP NetWeaver is the total value of the non-active statistical conditions, and where it is not set to AKLMXZ, and not set to Y, and not set to X. Similar way, what we see in this step, where from and to has been maintained, here we have one additional KINA condition, AKLMXZ, AKLMXZ, and not set to Y, and K set not set X. It looks like it is the same condition what we have defined in the first step. If there is no steps are maintained, in that case also we are verifying whether inactive reason for the condition types is not equal to AK LMXZ, and base value KOAID is B, means that should not be set as Y. In addition to that, it is verifying the statistical means it's a K stat. If it is not X, then only those values will be updated to NetWeaver value. So the last one is tax conditions. So for percentage tax conditions, where condition class is D is equal to KOAID field is the condition class, it is should be maintained as D, and most of the times it will be maintained as 16 only. In the next video, we will discuss how it will work with an example. Thank you.